Hi, way to leave the campus, or set, or whatever it's called. We're back with the Alicia and Caitlin show. Welcome. Today, it is 10:07, and we're taking videos. Not just a video, but a show.
A video show.
That wasn't funny, don't laugh. Alicia, we gotta get the viewers what they want. Okay, you can't give them stupid jokes. So, Alicia made popcorn. And I think she put enough salt in it that, like, the Pacific Ocean could have enough.
How can you tell if the ocean's friendly?
Cause it waves! Did you get that from my Laffy Taffy?
Yes.
What's black and white and red all over? An angry zebra! That's what the viewers want. That
Look at the salt on there.
I know.
In my watermelon bowl.
Oh.
Who's talking to me?
God has no penis.
Neither do you. Okay.
Oh.
Wow, that's embarrassing. Can we not keep this video?
No. We're keeping it. Well, we didn't even say his name before, and oh good, I have him as a friend. Way to talk to me, Joy. I mean, Carl. The face? We have a problem. Hi. I have a problem with people touching my face.
I have a problem with you.
Clearly, you do. Was it you?
I just went cross-eyed. Go cross-eyed.
You want apple?
Oh my god, where did that go?
It's Colin Van Winkel's birthday.
Stop it!
Okay.
Back off, no one!
Oh. Huh.
It's a present.
How do you feel about that? Leash, you can't date him.
Who?
Dylan, because his name is Dylan.
I have no desire to date him.
Ew. I hope Dylan Cole's watching this. Dylan, how's the show? Good.
But Dylan, congrats you.
Oh, you can say it, don't worry. This show's rated R. Rated R for... This show is rated R for raunchy! Listen to my bra. Listen to it. It makes fucking noises.
Fucking noises.
Was it you who spoke the words? There's something about them.
We are the children.
I believe the children are the future. Oh, no, I got something for him. 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, I gotta give it to
Oh my
Dylan.
god! I gotta leave. Oh my god.
8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 8, 6, 7, 5, 3, 9. Call.